Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put power of a quotient equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our Word document. Now we want to put power of a quotient equation in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Equation drop down menu and go to the More Equation from office.com. Then find the power of quotient. Here the power of a quotient. Now we insert it. Now we can see we put it power of a quotient equation very easily. You can edit it. Click the equation box and go to the design menu. Then edit this equation very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.